I got something for you. What did you get me? A birthday cake?
No.
Oh, it's
No,
my
this is
birthday.
actually all from your
It's
mom.
my birthday.
This is
No.
this
It's
is
not my
hey
birthday.
Enzo.
No, it's not.
This is actually all from your mom.
Whose birthday is it?
Did you want to come look at it, Dad?
Yeah, give me a second. Let me get my.
It's actually
Whose birthday is it?
this is your mom's production.
And she actually sent this also over here.
She did this all for you.
Oh, look it. You want to see me when I was your age?
So this was Crystal's project for your mother, from your mother. Your mom paid for it. She went out and got the exact duplicate of the cake made.
Jesus. Yeah, that was probably good.
Say thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
Say I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom.